Morning. All right, Grand Rising, Grand Rising. Look, I wanted to jump in real fast to talk to y'all about silver and why right now is the best time. Why buying silver right now is a great investment. That's the name of this video. And what I want to do is let me share my video to let people know I'm live real fast, and we're gonna jump in. What I want to do, we're gonna talk about silver, the price of silver. We're going to talk about not only the price of silver, we're also going to talk about the price of the dollar, and we're going to look at some charts so I can show you the trajectory of silver and also the trajectory of what's going on with the dollar and how we have major inflation with the dollar. So I'm going to show y'all some stuff, no more than 10, 15 quick minutes, and we're gonna get it in, family. So like always, I thank you. If you're watching it live, I appreciate you watching the video. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and let's get it in. I don't like to do all that talking. So I'm gonna share my screen. And the first thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna hop right in this. I'm gonna take y'all to the news of what's been going on right now. If you ain't following the news, so what I want to do is first I'm gonna take you to the silver chart. Right now, this right here is a chart of silver. It's a 5-year chart. What I'm showing you right now is a 5-year chart. And you can see right now the silver is going for $24 and basically 34 cents right now. Now you can see, you know what? All right, I do it this way. I didn't want to, but I'm gonna do it this way. All right, I'm gonna do the 1 month chart. I'm gonna do the 1 month chart so y'all can see 1 month. If it worked, we don't want to work with me. We might have to keep it this way. Or the 5 day. It ain't working with me right now. But basically, you can see that the price of silver has went up, right? Back in March, I told everybody silver went down to $12. And you look on the chart, here it go right here. On March the 2nd, silver went down to $12, and it was $12.18 where you can buy silver, right? Well, right now, silver has doubled up to $24. But this is what I want y'all to see. I want you to see the potential of what silver can do. In 2011, 2012, silver went up to almost 46, close to $50. Now, the same situations that was going on with the economy back then in 2011, 2012 is going on right now in 2020, 2021. Usually it's a 7-year range. Usually every 7 years, you have a problem with the economy as far as money and how the dollar value goes down and the silver and the gold goes up. But this time it took about a good 10 years for this to happen. But this happens like every 7 to 10 years, this happens, right? So you can see that right now the price of silver is $24.34. Now, the all-time high of silver is $47.91 is the all-time high of how much silver costs when it reached its peak. We're not there yet. Peace, how y'all doing, man? If y'all in the chat, man, what's up? But look, we ain't got there yet, right? But we see the trajectory of silver and how it's taking off. You want to get in right now. Now, I'm going to show y'all, I'm about to tell y'all why exactly silver. And I'm talking about silver instead of gold because gold right now is around $1,900, over $1,900. Most of us cannot afford no $1,900 to buy gold, but we can afford $24, $25 to buy silver. We can afford this, right? That's why silver has always been called the poor man's gold because it has always been undervalued. Now, back in March at $12, that was a great buy, right? Look, so this what I wanted to let y'all see. Let me see. All right, we're gonna talk about the dollar real fast. All right, the U.S. dollar has the worst month since 2010 in relentless sell-off. So a lot of people are getting rid of their dollars. They're not holding dollars and they selling it for precious metals, gold, silver, and digital currency. or they're buying land, you know, but they're getting rid of the dollar, right? So, right, it says the US dollar has tumbled the most in a decade this month, propelling sterling and the euro higher. So right now the euro is higher than the dollar. If anybody into the Forex trading, you would know that the euro right now is higher than the dollar. Like $1 is like 88 cents in the euro right now. So the dollar value has really dropped, right? But look, it says the dollar index, a measure of a greenback against six peers, has shared 4.4% in July. It's worth monthly sell-off since September of 2010. Now, if you look at the chart that I just showed y'all, when silver rose, what was the time period? This says the worst sell-off since 2010, right? Well, let's see when did silver rise. What year was this? 2011. It's still around this 2010. Now look where silver was in 2010. Let me get, all right, right here. 2010, silver was basically around $16. It was around the $16 range in 2010. Now, after it had that major sell-off in 2010, look what happened with silver. Look at the chart, man. The charts do not lie. It's up to us to look at these charts and to see the same thing that's going on. The charts do not lie. Look at this. You see the price of silver? This is 2010. Look at what happened. It dipped, and what did it do? It took a massive look at it. It started going up. Then it consolidated. Then it went back up, right? Well, look what's going on right now with the silver right now, family. This got down to the $16 range in 2010. Well, we got under 16. We got under 16. And you can see it's starting to rise. So you want to get this wave. Don't sit back on the sideline and be like, man, look, I don't know. I'm about to tell you how you can get you some silver and everything. But don't sit on the sideline and watch this shit and don't be a part of it, man. Like, it's enough of this, man. But look, so it's saying that. So now look, I'm gonna get off this because this right here is basically letting us know why the price of the dollar have went down, because of a lot of the money that they printing, and this stimulus package that they just about to come out with is gonna make the dollar go down a little bit more. But once it come out and the money start getting around, circulating in the economy, it's gonna rise a little bit, but initially it's gonna drop, right? So look. Okay, somebody asked, what is the difference in buying the stock compared to buying the actual coin? That's a good question, Ken. Now, you can buy the stock compared to the coin. The difference is with the stock, you get a percentage, and actually, both of them are good, to be real. The stock is just as good as the coin. The difference is the coin is something tangible that you can have in your house. You can have it that you can hold. The stock is something in the market. Now, I got the stocks too. I do it both. I buy the stocks and the physical coins. So I mean, to each is his own. To me, it's really no big difference, especially if you can get the coin at a good price. But as far as let me take y'all to something real fast. Now, this is what I want y'all to see that most people don't pay attention to. This is called an inflation calculator. So what you can see is in 1913. If you purchase something for $1 in 1913, now the same item in 2020 will cost us $26.04. So that's a inflation rate of 2,504%. That's the difference in $1 from 1913 to 2020. This is the same item that you would have bought in 1913 will be $26.04 today, right? So let's say if we go to 1960. So let's say in 1960, we would have spent $1 on something. We're gonna calculate in today's world, that same dollar that we would have spent in 1960, it would cost $8.71 to buy that same item for $1 then into now. Now you can see the rate of inflation is 770.9%. That's the difference between then and right now, as far as how much the dollar and the inflation and the price of stuff has went up, but the value of the dollar is still the same dollar. It hasn't risen. And there's reasons why this is going on. We know in 1972 we got off the gold standard, but what exactly happened in 1913? Why do this inflation calculator start in 1913? Look it up. I don't want to tell you. Most people probably already know what happened in 1913, but there's a reason why this inflation calculator started in 1913, because something significant happened in 1913 that changed the trajectory of what was going on in America, right? So you can see this right here, right? This, you can come here, you can Google U.S. inflation calculator, and you can see the difference. Like, let's say in 1981, the year I was born, if I would buy something for $1 then, it would be $2.84 today, the same product, the same dollar. You will see that the inflation rate is 183.6 cents. It was 1972 is when we got off the gold standard, right? So it will be $6. So the price of the dollar has been dropping for a long time, right? So what I wanted, I'm gonna pull this article up real fast. All right, now this is talking about silver, poor man's gold, no more, because silver's about to get to a point wherein it's not going to be able to be called the poor man's gold. How can I explain this? If you know a thing about digital currency, you know Bitcoin is like gold. Litecoin would be like silver. So silver has always been undervalued. It has always been undervalued. But silver can easily go up to $100, easily, because it has always been undervalued. Now, they are stopping the mints from printing silver right now. I hope y'all know this. I talked about that Monday, that they are stopping because they don't want a lot of people to understand what's going on and buy up all this silver, right? But it says right now, silver, poor man, all right, the price for the metal trade 25% higher for July. So the price of silver went up 25% just in the month of July. So you gotta understand, as silver and gold rises in digital currency, you have to understand that the dollar, the value of the dollar is going down. That's how this works. When they go up, the value of the dollar is going down. When the value of the dollar goes up, sometimes the price of silver and gold and digital currency drop. This is just how it is. Right now, we have a major problem going on with them printing a lot of money. And I know a lot of people don't want to hear it because they want the stimulus check. Hell, I want it too. But you got to understand what the stimulus check is going to do once to the economy once we receive the stimulus check. Yeah, we'll get that free money, but what is it actually doing as far as for the price of the dollars that we're spending? We have to be realistic about this stuff, man. All right, so let me see. It says investors has focused on the rise, and they talking about gold. You know, everybody talking about how gold is rising, but like I said, gold costs too much. You can get silver for a cheaper price. Ken Boyd say that's because there's no Secretary of Treasury office. Yeah, you're right. Not only that, but the not only about that, but you have the Fed and the U.S. Treasury now really working hand in hand. They have almost combined, and that was supposed to never happen because the U.S. Treasury Office Department supposed to be separate from the Fed because the Federal Reserve is not ran by the United States government. So a lot of people hear Federal Reserve and think that that's a part of the United States government, but that's a separate entity from the United States government. It's just that in 1913, which what thought about this inflation calculator, that's when the Fed actually started taking over because of the Great Depression, and they sold some stuff. And I don't want to get into that as far as why we have a Federal Reserve Bank that's in control of our money that's separate from our U.S. Treasury Department. And the U.S. Treasury Department is supposed to be the ones that's controlling our money, but we have the Fed that's doing it in conjunction with the U.S. Treasury Department, and that's why they're buying up all the bonds. It's a lot, but I ain't gonna talk about all that right now, right? But look, so you can see that silver has the potential to really climb and go high. So what I'm trying to tell people, if you watching, man, is get you some silver. So you have a place called Kitco. Kitco is a place that you can go online and you can buy you silver. It's called Kitco. You can go there and you can get you some silver. Kitco, Kitco, right, .com. You put in Kitco.com, you come and sign up, and you can buy you silver, you can buy you gold, you can buy the bullions, you can buy the bars. Now, you have to understand that a lot of times, like Kitco, they'll run out because a lot of people is trying to buy this stuff. A lot of people, I didn't mean to do that. A lot of people is into buying silver and gold right now. So you can come here. Kitco is a place that you can come, you can sign in, and you can start getting you some silver and gold, right? Now, also, I'm with a company called Quicksilver. Now, this company allows you to buy silver coins, and you can get these coins delivered to your house on a monthly basis. You can get these coins delivered to your house on a monthly basis. Every month, the coins can come in. Now, the good thing about Quicksilver is that not only is it unlimited, you can buy up to 10 coins per month if that's what you want, but you can get it delivered to your house and you don't have to worry about the coins running out because they have it's a huge stock of coins that they have, and you can get them every month and they'll come directly to your house. And with this, not only with this Quicksilver, I'm gonna take y'all somewhere. Not only with Quicksilver can you get these coins monthly delivered to your house, they also have a lot of different type of coins that you can get. And they have member prices. So if you're a member of Quicksilver, your prices that you're going to pay for the coins will be different than somebody that does not, that's not a member, that's just regular buying. You get them for a different price. And the good thing about Quicksilver is once you sign up with Quicksilver, you have the opportunity to either sell the silver or you can just be a customer. And there's nothing like getting coins mailed to your house monthly on a payment plan. I think it was like 23.47. It went up because the price of silver went up. But they only went up like 40-some cents that you have to pay to get your silver delivered right to your house, right? But they have a lot of different type of coins up here. If you have like this month they got the Republic of Congo. This is the coin that they have. It's actually on a special this weekend for $34.97. But it's a limited mintage coin. This coin is from it got the Congo silverback gorilla. It's a lot with it. You get points for buying the coins. If you somebody that's into Marvel comics, and this is what, I'm not even a coin collector, but since I have been part of Quicksilver, I have learned, certain coins. And so they have Marvel coins, y'all. And now you can get this coin for cheaper than this price. But this is just the where it's encased and everything. But they have like an Iron Man coin, Spiderweb coin, like it's a lot of Marvel character coins that I didn't even know that ever since I've been a part of Quicksilver, I've been able to find out, right? But if you interested in getting you some silver coins and you want to be on the auto wealth where they come to your house every month, and you got to understand, if you get in silver coins, the coins is nothing but a transfer of wealth. You're transferring your dollars for a different form of currency because silver is a currency. Where how I want to say it. Silver is a form of currency, put it like that. Just like the dollar is fiat currency, silver is what you would be called asset-backed currency, or it's a currency backed by that is actually owned, right? But that's a different conversation. I'm not trying to get into all that. But if you want you some silver, I can help you get silver. You can get it delivered directly to your house, or you can get the silver ETFs, or you can buy silver on the stock market. You can get silver on the stock market also. And the price of silver has really rose on the stock market, just like the price of silver has rose overall. So with that being said, family, I thank y'all for watching, man. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. I'll try to help you to the best of my ability, but do not sit on the sideline, family. We cannot sit on the sideline no more and watch other people get wealthy and we don't do nothing. I'm not wealthy, but I'm trying to get there. And paying attention to the signs, watching the charts is something that we must do. So yes, if you need some silver, hit me up. There's a reason why I done this video. Because trust me, when silver get up, when you start hearing people talking about silver, $36, $40, $45, silver close to $50 an ounce, and then you be like, yo, dang, this somebody on August, somebody done a video about silver, and silver was like $24. I could have doubled my money. And it really don't cost that much to double my money because I'm talking about $25. Man, I should have got in. Get in, family. I have a way that you can get in and get your silver. And actually, if you want to know about the stock market and the silver with the stock market, I'll tell you about that also. It really don't matter to me. My thing is for us to get educated and for us to get involved and stop sitting on the sideline, man. Peace, family. I'll holler at y'all in the next video.